So we look at the field here with Clark of the United States in lane 1. Made the World Championship final at 200 meters, finishing 6th.
And there's Twanisha Terry. She ran the anchor leg on that 4x1 team and held off a storming Shericka Jackson. She's in great form, ran really well just a few weeks ago.
Next to her, Shericka Jackson. Did she run well a few weeks ago in Oregon? Yes, a world title at 200 meters, becoming the second fastest woman ever in the event.
It was absolutely incredible to see what she did there.
No Melissa Jefferson, so Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce, now 35 years of age. Legend, GOAT, all the superlatives, they all worked for her. And she will be in lane number 5.
That's right. And next to her in lane 6 is Aaliyah Hobbs. She's 26 now. I think she's finally finding her rhythm. She ran really well at Nationals, won a medal again at Worlds. When she puts it together, she runs really well.
Here is Marie-Josée Tallou of the Ivory Coast. 7th in the World Championship final. Has been among the top sprinters for more than a decade. And
out in lane 8, this is Daryl Nita. She's having a great season, ran her lifetime best this year, 10:90. 2 times a World Championship silver medalist as a part of the 4x1 relay team for Great Britain.
So, Sonia, what's left for Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce?
I mean, she has, checked and rechecked all of the boxes. At this point, you wonder if she's still in it chasing the world record. She has become so consistent at 10.6, times that we never used to see so much and so consistently. So I think for Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce, Olympic champion, world champion, over and over again, I think now she's eyeing the world record. She wants to be the fastest woman that has ever contested at this event. And I think the way she has been looking, Paul, that she could do that.
World record still 10:49 by Flojo, Florence Griffith Joyner, back in 1988. The 5-time world champion, Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce, in the middle of the track in lane 5 here in Monaco. And with that empty lane next to her, she gets out well. Still ahead of the field. Jackson of Jamaica trying to close her down, but Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce does it again, and look at the time, 10:61. That equals the 6th fastest performance in history.
She keeps getting better and better. 10:62 now, officially the meet record. And Paul, week after week, she steps on the track and runs faster and faster. It is incredible what she's able to do. There was nobody beside her. I thought that might make it a little bit tougher for her to execute the perfect race. But when she gets in those blocks, she is so laser focused that it doesn't matter who is around her or where she is. She executes the 100-meter race to perfection. She had an excellent start. She got up into her running form, and I could tell it was special because you can almost tell when a sprinter is running so fast, they're almost like a little bit out of control. It's like the speed that she was carrying at the end of the race was just unimaginable, and Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce has this race figured out. She is incredible, and I think if she continues to run like this, the world record could be in trouble this season. If she gets a little bit of a tailwind and she gets pushed a little bit through the front half of this race, Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce could become the new world record holder. What an incredible run that was for Shelly Ann Fraser-Pryce.